So this is what I'm asking for Java 2 to do with their dice class. So we're moving the printing from the die class to the dice class. And basically what it's going to do, when you say print on the dice class, it's going to give you a row of the dice. This needs to be flexible. So if they have 3 dice in their set of die, or 12, it would list them all out horizontally. The number on top is the dice position number, or the dice number. You can think of that, or the die number maybe. That's so you can select it later to hold as we play Yahtzee. So each dice has a number above it, giving its position, and then the roll is inside the boxes. So I got a 3, a 1, a 2, a 4, and a 3. So if I were playing Yahtzee, I'd probably want to hold die number 1 and die number 5, and then re-roll. Okay, so I haven't put that functionality in here yet, but I do want you to try to recreate this visual when you're writing your dice class or your print class for your dice. So go into your dice class, write something that will first print out the die position numbers, and then it will print out this first row based on the number of dice that are in the set of dice. And then the second row would be what actually was rolled. And then this bottom row is the same as the top row, if you notice. So you can make that into a little method just for printing out the bottoms and tops of the dice. If I say repeat, at least right now, it prints it out again. But notice I wasn't given an opportunity to hold anything. So we're going to add that later. But right now, we're just worried about getting this to print. Okay. When you roll a set of dice, it shows you all the dice, gives them each position, and tells you what the value is. Okay. So that's the goal of today's changes, is moving the printing of the dice from the die class to the dice class. Okay. And then I want you to give it a try first. I'm not going to show you the code. We'll talk about it tomorrow if you struggle, but I think we can do this. Again, use a loop to create this part and the number of dice and all of that. Use a loop that there's inside your dice class, you have a variable called an instance variable called numDice. You're going to use that a lot for your loops when you're trying to print this out. All right. Any questions there from the Java 2 folks?